Good morning, students. Today, in our first chapter in statistics, we'll be seeing limitation of statistics. So, limitation. What is limitation? We cannot go beyond that. Okay, there will be a stop or end point is called limitation. So even for statistics also there are certain limitations where we cannot go behind that for statistics. So that we'll be seeing in today's class. First one, it does not deal with an individual. So individual is an homogeneous explanation. Okay, homogeneous is one example. Okay, it is an one example, so where I cannot compare one data with one person. Okay, one data I cannot compare with one same person. O- and I cannot even give the explanations also why it is what it is and all. So for statistics there should be more than two datas for the comparisons. So for single data it is not possible. Yeah, giving the detailed explanation, statistics deals with aggregate of facts. So aggregate of fact is where we'll be collecting n number of datas and then we will compare, and not with individuals. So for example, if I'm taking 5 years of information, 5 years I can compare with 5 years. Okay, which year I've been increased my sales, which year I've been lost my sales, all those things. But in 1 year I cannot compare. Keeping 1 year data, whether I have been got profit or loss, I cannot compare. Individual or not constitute statistical data, so individual cannot give further information. For example, Lakshmi is tall girl in is not a statistic sentence. Yeah, this is Lakshmi is tall, one word. Okay, Lakshmi is a tall girl. With whom we have to compare? Where we have to compare, that is missing. For example, Lakshmi is a tall girl in her class. Her her class is a comparison where I can compare Lakshmi's height with the students in her class and get a result. Lakshmi is height in the class. So the word in her class is statistics. The Lakshmi is tall girl does not make sense. We are not comparing with whom she is tall. Without comparison, we cannot give statement for anything. So one data, okay, collection of one data is not valid for statistics. Second one, it does not deal with quality data. Okay, quality means where we can tell, okay, she is beautiful. Okay, the taste of the food was good. Okay, if I'm eating today roti and chapati and dal, I cannot tell chapati dal is good. Okay, so quality is not the main factor, quantity is the main factor in statistics. Statistics is a collection of numerical facts, and the tools of statistics can be applied only for quantitative measurement. What it is? Statistics is the collection of numerical data. What we will be doing? We'll be collecting data in the numerical form. Uh, Everything in the numerical form. Class strength of the student. So class strength. Okay, class strength is a number of students present in the class. Can I tell that girl is beautiful? I cannot compare with the quantities. Okay, qualities I cannot compare. She is beautiful is the quality, but she is beautiful in the class. Okay, out of 10 people. Okay, that is also cannot be done. Okay, but she is tall. Okay, like that we can compare. It is not possible to use these tools for quality characteristics like beauty, complexion, models, characters taste. Okay, uh, I cannot tell she is rude, okay? I cannot tell she's beautiful. All those things. Quality cannot be measured in statistics. Whatever is the quantity, okay? Quantity is the measurement of statistic tool. Next one, statistic law all true only on an average. So we cannot take everything is true, okay? We cannot just give the justification for all the data it will be true. Even after proving also some statistic data are not true. It is on the average basis, okay? We cannot depend totally on your statistics. Naturally, signs are extracted in the sense that their results are universal true. Okay, signs where we do test, we do proving, okay, everything is done, okay. Universally, it is true. Statistical laws are not extract. What it is, we are not taking it. Extract means what? We are not taking, okay, just we are collecting the data, we are analyzing, we are representing, and we are giving the result. But in science, each and everything is done n number of tests, okay. Now for example, COVID is running out for medicines from last how many months? 5 months. All the scientists have been struggling to their core to find an vaccination. So they cannot tell just this one is the vaccine. Why it is? They've been holding the whole hold in their hands. Okay, life of people they're holding in their hand. So till now, sciences have been just doing, and they'll give the true result. Yes, this is the medicine you can follow. But for statistics, this is not extracted. How the medicines have been found like that? They have not been extracted anything. For instance, the average number of accident in a certain road is 4 per week does not mean that if all the 4 accidents have occurred in the first day of the week, then there will be no accident in that week. Yeah. Now, for example, this one only I will explain you very clearly. There are 4 accidents taking place in one road. Okay, I need to analyze this data whether this 4 accident is taken place in different days. Okay, what it is on the different date in that week. So Monday to Sunday. In that one, when or this 4 accident have been taken place. If it is in different days, then I can consider and compare why, what is the reason. Okay. But if I have been taken in one day, the accident of 4 people is taken in one day, I cannot compare. Okay, I cannot tell this is an accident. Okay, in that week, I can tell 4 accident has been taken place in one day. I cannot tell 4 accidents are taken place in that week. Next, only experts can make the best results of statistics. So philosophers of the statistics, okay, the who's having good knowledge, okay, they have been studied, done all masters in their statistics and all, they will know what is the result. Okay, what if it is not coming also, if that result is not coming also, they will know alter method in what way I can get the result. Okay, so statistics can be used by experts only. Okay, everyone cannot use statistics. Okay, everyone cannot use the data. Only the experts can use the data, and only the experts can do the research. Those who are not aware of a statistical method cannot make the best possible use of available data. So what it is, I cannot tell, okay, I'm studying statistics, I know everything statistics, okay. Only the expert deep, okay, inside the deep, who know the knowledge of the statistics can get the best result out of that possible, all the possible ways they will do. So I cannot tell I know only two tests now, hypothesis test and null test. Okay, in statistics I cannot keep these two tests and prove any datas. So well experted can do the researches and take the datas. Next, statistical analysis, uniformity and homogeneity. Okay, homogeneity of data is essential. Excuse. As I told, the data what we are collecting should be uniform. Or it should be uniform and homogeneous. Homogeneous means one home sectors. Okay, the information what we are collecting should be based on one. So class strength in a school. So different sections we will take. So strength of a school, okay, different sections. Now we need to divide a section. So what we will take, we'll take number of students done the admission. Okay, for example, you people have done the admissions for first PUC after your 10th. Now we need to give you sections. On what basis we are giving sections? We are giving basis on your subject. First, what is the subject you people have been adopt. After that, on the strength we are dividing, in this class so many people should be there, in that next class so many people should be there. So uniformity, what is the uniformity? Student dividing. Homogeneous, there are one that is strength should be divided. Heterogeneous data are not comparable. Heterogeneous means where I cannot compare student strength in a class with outsiders. Okay, I cannot compare. So heterogeneous means should be in one data. Okay, it should not be in multiple datas. It it would be of no use to compare the height of tree with the height of man. See, heterogeneous is where height of man cannot be compared with height of men, because this data are heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is different data. So tree is different, height of a man is different. So both cannot be compared. But a height of a student in a classroom can be compared. Okay, the marks of the student in a classroom can be compared because they come in uniformity and homogeneous. So today we have been seen limitation of statistics. In tomorrow's class we will be continuing scope and application of statistics. Thank you students. Have a nice day.